Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Minger LED Striplight, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Minger LED Striplight, an IR remote control, a control box, a power adapter, mounting clips, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Clean and dry the mounting surface before installation. Peel off the adhesive backing from the Minger RGB waterproof LED strip and attach it firmly in the desired location. Connect the strip to the controller, plug in the power adapter, and ensure all connections are secure. Use mounting clips for additional support, then operate the lights using the remote control. How to pair. Connect the Minger RGB strip to the controller and power adapter, then turn on the lights. Point the 44-key IR remote toward the receiver on the controller and press the power button to pair automatically. Use the remote to select colors, adjust brightness, and change lighting modes according to your preference. Smart features? Customize your space with multiple RGB colors, brightness levels, and dynamic effects. Choose from different lighting patterns to create the desired atmosphere for any room. The LED strip responds to music rhythms, creating changing colors and effects that move with the beat for an interactive lighting experience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Minger LED Striplight. See you in the next one.